Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to edit your public profile on Snapchat. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up Snapchat. Now go to the top left, tap on your Bitmoji, profile, or story. Okay. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and tap on your public profile right here besides your account. Okay, so just tap on it. Now, once it loads, as you can see here, we have the pencil icon at the very top of the edit button. So just tap. After once done, you could go ahead and change your profile picture right here. Just tap on the pencil icon besides it and just choose from your gallery. Once that's done, you can go ahead and add in your bio, for example. Okay, your location, if you want to, you could go ahead and add it in right here, your city, your state, and country. And then if you want to, you could go ahead and enable show follower count or disable it if you wish, just like so. All right. After once that's done, just go ahead and go back. You could also tap on the image icon right here to add in your wallpaper or background photo. All right, just select one and hit on upload and just wait for the process to finish. Once you're happy with that, just hit on apply and wait for it. There you go. That is how you edit your public profile on Snapchat. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.